Have you ever struggled with those pesky dark spots that just don't seem to go away, no matter how many products you try? Well, today I'm going to show you a product that's making waves in the K-beauty world. And the product is the XSY Dark Spot Correcting Glow Serum. Could it be the solution you've been searching for? Watch the full video to find out. Hello, this is Sarah Diba, and today's quest is to learn about the XSY Dark Spot Correcting Glow Serum. XSY is a Korean brand. Their products are pretty affordable, and recently few of their products have become quite popular. And this serum is one of those. XSY claims that their products are alcohol-free, have no artificial color, fragrance, or mineral oils and parabens, and are cruelty-free. I do want to point out that these free-from claims are misleading because none of these ingredients are inherently bad and no cosmetic brands taste on animals anymore. Anyway, let's learn about the product itself now. First off, the packaging. I appreciate the minimalist packaging of the product. It's a simple pump bottle that dispenses the lightweight formula with ease. Texture. It has a beautiful gel-like texture, it's very lightweight, non-greasy, and gets absorbed into the skin very easily. Ingredients. The star of the show here is niacinamide, a powerhouse that's known for its brightening and hyperpigmentation-reducing abilities. It also contains multiple soothing ingredients like glycerin, sodium hyaluronate, squalane, arginine. At first, I thought the fragrance-free formula would be suitable for the people who are sensitive to fragrance, but then I noticed rosemary leaf oil, which is an essential oil, has aromatic properties, and also an irritant. So, please do patch test first if you want to try it out. Claims. The Dark Spot Correcting Glow Serum is marketed as a product that will brighten and moisturize the skin. XSY claims that the ingredients in their serum will correct dark spots, improve uneven skin tone, retain moisture, reduce pigmentation, soothe and brighten the skin, and deeply moisturize. They claim this is a special product developed by them to help with hyperpigmentation and discoloration. Whitening ingredients like niacinamide and rice bran are combined together in this product in an appropriate ratio to create an effective tone-up function. My experience. This product contains 5% niacinamide, which is a pretty good concentration in my opinion. It's potent enough to work, but not high enough to irritate the skin, unless you are sensitive to the ingredient, of course. The presence of soothing ingredients like glycerin, sodium hyaluronate, squalane, arginine also made me very hopeful about its performance. But right after I applied this product, I noticed that at least one of their claims was not true. That is, its ability to deeply moisturize the skin. No. As I mentioned in the texture part, this serum is a very lightweight product. It got absorbed almost instantly on my dry skin, so please do moisturize after using this serum, as it alone won't be enough to prevent water loss from your skin. Use it after cleansing your face, pat dry your skin, apply this serum, then your moisturizer, and lastly use sunscreen if it's a daytime. As for the claims regarding correcting dark spots or improving uneven skin tone, I used this serum almost 2 months and did not use any active product other than my face wash, moisturizer, and exfoliator during this time, and I noticed slight improvement in fading one of my acne marks here. So that means it works, right? Now, the problem is I can't say for sure that the mark wouldn't fade by itself even if I didn't use this serum, because the improvement was very slight, and as I was taking care of my skin regularly, I believe my acne mark would get better in 2 months anyway. As for brightening the skin, I didn't notice any significant change in my complexion. After I gave up on this product, I started using the other actives in my skincare routine, and I noticed improvements very soon. So, in a nutshell, I don't think the XSY Spot Correcting Serum is a bad product. However, I do think the marketing claims are a bit exaggerated. A lot of times, brands highlight the benefits of a specific ingredient while hiding that the effectiveness actually depends on the formulation of the product. Don't let my experience discourage you though if you wanted to try out this product, because everyone's skin is different. Remember, consistency is the key when it comes to skincare. So if something is working for you, continue with it. Also celebrate the progress, no matter how small it is. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. This will really help grow my channel. See you next time. Till then, take care of yourself and remember to love the skin you're in. This is Sarah Diba signing off today from Diba's Quest.